I am Camille Becerra. I am a chef in New York City. I love being a chef in New York City because of all the cultures. It's the spice markets, access to wonderful produce that's grown locally, grown with love and care for the soil. Cooking is very much about your senses, about touching, watching the ingredient go from raw to cooked, smelling what that smells like, and listening to how food cooks. The thing that brings me the most joy is nurturing people. The greatest gift one could give to another person is just making this thoughtful meal that makes their body feel great.